do it. It took me a while to get there though. What's the fastest you have hit in this car? 190. Jeez. I have never gone past 168. Yes. Damn. Damn, dude. Damn, dude. SVJ, no joke. First SVJ Lambo as a ride-along on the channel, guys. All right, y'all, here we go. Here we go. Alright, y'all, just stepped out the SVJ. You guys got to see the pools. Again, shout out to Mike. You guys definitely give him a follow right here. Let me shut this door. Man. One more walk around for y'all right here. So many highway runs he's already been a part of. Fuel Run, Autobahn, all of these sick ones. Alright, y'all, for that being my first ride-along, or second ride-along in a Lamborghini, first SVJ. The last time I was in a Lamborghini was with my buddy Drew. Shout out to Drew for being the first Lambo and letting me get in his Gallardo, his 2005 Gallardo, I think it was. You guys check right here so you guys go see that video, and then I hope you guys enjoy this one right here. First SVJ. Again, huge shout out to Mike for showing some love and taking me on that spin. I can't wait to get everything edited up. I do promise you guys this will not be the last time that we have Mike on the channel. He is from LA, but he's got a lot of connections in Fresno. So when I told him I was from the 559, he was like, dude, get in the car, let's go. And I was like, oh, that's love right there, you know? So I will be reaching out to him more so we can link up in LA/Orange County so we can get some more videos done. This isn't the only car he has, so we're definitely gonna go through all of them. And then he rallies this car a lot. He rallies the shit out of this car. So many different midnight runs, day runs, all that stuff, highway runs. He's always there. Maybe I'll pull the Scat in there one time, or maybe I'll just roll with him. But hope you guys enjoyed, all right? I'll catch you guys next video.